Discover how 3D printed shoes are paving the way for sustainable fashion. 1. Minimal waste. 3D printing uses only the necessary materials, drastically reducing production waste compared to traditional methods. 2. Eco-friendly materials. Advances in biodegradable and recyclable materials make every pair of shoes a step toward a greener planet. 3. Energy efficiency. Streamlined processes consume less energy, making 3D printing a more sustainable production method. 4. On-demand production. Manufacturing on demand eliminates overstock and reduces the environmental footprint of unused inventory. Step into a sustainable future today at 3dshoes.com.